I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Yeah. Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me?
You see I'm broke, I'm not trying to brag about money, cars, hoes, jewelry, and swag. About to be the first dude with the game in the bag, who still lives home with his mom and his dad. It's true, taking a cab, I'll save my dough and get to jogging. Yeah, my funds are that low. My car's dented up with some dirty ass rims. My left headlight is duct taped in. You think I'm joking? I wish, but I've also accepted the fact life is a bitch. And I ain't here to complain, but yo, I'm just saying that I'll take your dollar, even if it's change. Cause I've given you nothing but free music. When I do release an album you can buy, please do it. Now there's a fan base following this character, about to show the world how to make it in America.
I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me?
Yeah, you see it don't matter nationwide, everybody heard of me. Cause my wallet still lacks American currency. Dudes be like, yo, you're not broke, son, you're famous. And I'm still unsigned, you ignoramus. Boston's making money like Billy Costigan, while Webby's in CT grinding for Washington's. But it's great, yo, I'm having a great time. And I realize some of these things take time, but I put out more hits than A-Rod, and gotta work a $7 an hour day job. Don't have the money, but I have the skills, and respect that's worth more on the rail. I'm the real deal. Soon enough I'll have my fill and pay off all these late lawyer bills. About to have a meal in the stash, for real it's a fact. Need bills to the max, Evo, bring it back.
I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need.
Get a Mac.
Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need.
Pittsburgh in this bitch.
You my story,
Mac Miller.
you share your dollar with me?
Alright, look, I start my name with a capital M. You missed the start of the show, but you catching the end. MC's up in my cypher, come and show me love. Say, Mac, look at you, kid, you really growing up. Before I ever had a video to look at, a bunch of weed and mixtapes filling up my book bag. Dealing the feeling of keeping it real, 1 in a million, needed to feel. Put it in stage, living the ways that keep me living in a city of steel. There's 100 billion rappers in the world, yeah, I'm one of many. Get this money, better understand me. No plan B, bitches, no panties. Bunch of hoes tryna Facebook fan me. Platinum record, I get a Grammy. California Kush and parties in Miami. Got the game by the titty, she my nanny. Thumbs up, motherfucker.
I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me? I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need.
I couldn't help it. I love this song. Hey, yo, Tree J. Look, got a sack in the pack of cigarillos, ready to crack and put some hash up in the middle. Blow, going lights out like Padiddle, rhymes like Buster, jazzy like Fizzle. Mac Mizzle, your girl probably heard of me. My spit game real tight like a virgin bee currency. Keep my paper running like a gerbil feeder, sprinting on the wheel till it hurts to breathe. And girl, me and you is like the birds and bees, when the weed stay burning to the 3rd degree. I'm high, fly, got your girl smitten. She keep coming back, call her badminton. Pulling petals off your flowers, you can get shagged like Austin Flowers. I pick my L up, this is that moment, I'm trying to get high today. Hitting on my weed like, blowing out the smoke like. Yeah, I pick my L up, this is that moment, I'm trying to get high today. Hitting on my weed like, I got a bunch of hate. And I ain't gonna stop, no, not an hour. I see the games filled with lots of cowards, so I'm here to coach like Tomlin. Coward, 24 hours, call Jack Bauer. Status, Mac is way above the average, and I'm Jewish like Lenny Kravitz. So original, gotta get a patent. Party Everybody in the USA getting blasted. Switch it up, feeling good, filling up. Getting drunk, sipping suds till I'm sick as fuck. But I ain't slipping up, flow too perfect. Used to be a little thief going through purses, but now I'm business, blowed off my third spliff. Do it like a furnace and burn it. My L up, this is that moment I'm trying to get high today. Hitting on my weed light, blowing out the smoke light. Yeah, I pick my L up, this is that moment I'm trying to get high today. Hitting on my weed light, I got a bunch of hate. Yeah, now what I need everybody to do, the high life, roll up another, and just admit to yourself that you were listening to that Miley Cyrus jam. December 1st, bitch, we coming. Mac Miller, I'm telling y'all, December 1st, the highlight. Turn up a little bit. Even more. I'm deaf as fuck. Hey. The class clown coming soon. East End Empire. All day, all night. Let's go. Y'all ain't doing jack shit, just a bunch of has-beens. What the fuck happened? Why you stop rapping? I'm the future, trying ball like a hookah. Attack a beat like a cougar. Ruger, Huda, dude that wanna come and talk shit. I'm so fly, high up in my cockpit. The tape's coming, boy, wait until I drop it. It's some hot shit, I know you're gon' cop it. It's like the Carter 3 mixed with the Chronic, plus some big L and Nas hits. I tell them watch this, start spitting out rockets. Light a beat up like in fiber optics. Pause, you ain't seen this yet, kid. Resurrecting this DMX dip. On tracks I be doing mad BMX flips. Sex chicks and move on up to the next bitch. Big like Texas, don't mess with the freshest. Yes, spin electric, my set is the best in the PA country, continent, the world. Crying little bitches, I ain't starting with you girls. It's Mac, it's Mac, jump back. Dumb raps in my lungs is black. Yeah, it's Mac, say it again, yeah. Chest collapse when you taking it in. I'm playing to win, spitting it right. We just a couple of kids living the life. I'm staying sharp like the end of a knife. And your girl come to me cause you ain't hitting it right. Hey, that's how it go down. I ain't even need a hook for this shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna